Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn topics on verification and validation. Let's get into the video. The contents of this video are inspection, testing and audit. Let's see one by one. First, inspection. The term software inspection was developed by IBM in the early 1970s when it was noticed that the testing was not enough sufficient to attain high quality software for large applications. Inspection is used to determine the defects in the code and remove it efficiently. This prevents defects and enhances the quality of testing to remove defects. This software inspection method achieves the highest level for efficiently removing defects and improving software quality. Software inspection process. The process must have an entry criterion that determines whether the inspection process is ready to begin. This prevents incomplete products from entering the inspection process. Entry criteria can be interstitial with items such as the spell document check. There are some stages in software inspection process such as planning. The moderator plans the inspection. Overview meeting. The background of the work product is described by the author. Preparation. The examination of work product is done by inspector to identify the possible defect. Inspection meeting. The reader reads the work product part by part during this meeting and the inspector finds faults of each part. Rework. After the inspection meeting, the writer changes the work product according to the work plans. Follow up. The changes done by the author are checked to make sure that everything is correct. The second one, testing. Software testing can be stated as the process of verifying and validating that software or application is bug-free, meets the technical requirements as guided by its design and development, and meets the user requirements effectively and efficiently with handling all the exceptional and boundary cases. The process of software testing aims not only at finding faults in existing software but also finding measures to improve the software in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and usability. It mainly aims at measuring the specification, functionality, and performance of a software program. Software testing can be broadly classified into two types. Manual testing. Manual testing includes the testing software manually without any automated tool or any script. In this type, the tester takes over the role of an end user and tests the software to identify any unexpected behavior or bug. There are different stages for manual testing, such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Automation testing. Automation testing, which is also known as test automation, is when the tester writes scripts and uses another software to test the product. This process involves the automation of a manual process. Automation testing is used to rerun the test scenarios that we perform manually, quickly, and repeatedly. Software techniques can be majorly classified into two categories: black box testing, white box testing. The black box testing, the technique of testing in which the tester doesn't have access to the source code of the software and is conducted at the software interface without consent with the internal logical structure of the software, is known as black box testing. White box testing, the technique of testing in which the tester is aware of the internal works of a product, has access to its source code, and is conducted by making sure that all internal operations are performed according to specification, is known as white box testing. The third one, audit. Audit is an SQA activity that determines whether the specified procedure is followed and the goal of the software process is satisfied. It is done by auditors who are not developers. Types. Functional audit confirms that all requirements have been met. Physical audit verifies that the source code and all associated documents are complete, internally consistent with one another, and ready for delivery. Audit trail or audit log. Audit trail or audit log is a log of all changes. It contains evidence of the sequence of the activity that takes place in the system.